Hey guys, it's Des with T-Mobile, and this is our Samsung Galaxy Tab A unboxing and product overview. Join me for the next 2 minutes as I give you a peek at this fun new tablet and what's inside the box. Let's get into it. The Galaxy Tab A is a compact, connected tablet thanks to T-Mobile's nationwide network. Inside the box, you'll find the Galaxy Tab A, a wall USB type charger, USB-A to USB-C cable, T-Mobile SIM card, quick reference guide, terms and conditions, and warranty info. Let's get in here and take a quick look at the Tab A itself. On the bottom, you'll find a USB-C charging port for the 5000 mAh battery. The display is 8.4 inches diagonal and can play your favorite videos in up to 1080p. And yes, that is a 3.5mm headset jack right up on top. Rear camera is an 8 megapixel shooter. Front-facing camera is 5 megapixels for all your zoom-in video calls. It's got 32 gigs of storage and a micro SD card slot right here where the SIM card goes. Once you've powered up and connected, you'll see it's got lots of great features, including Samsung Kids for the little ones. You're going to want to make sure to check out our protective cases, guys. And Samsung Kids also includes parental controls in case you need that kind of thing. The Tab A also includes your favorite Google apps and runs Samsung's One UI on top of the Android operating system. The Galaxy Tab A is now available from T-Mobile. It's a great, compact, connected, hey look at that guy, dare I say cinematic tablet to help you stay connected and entertained on the go. This has been Des for T-Mobile. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for another great T-Mobile video coming up next.